You cleaning up, big boy? You went down there and got it, and I didn't see you. Yes, you did. You did a good job. You're dusting the heck out of one spot, though. How come you don't move around?
We all pitch in to clean.
You went down and got it, 'cause that's the same one. It's the third time today he's done this. Huh, big boy. He's a good boy. He's my big boy. He can clean his own cage out. Yes, sir. Get you a dust rag, too. What do you call this, a woofle or a whiffle? Yeah, it's doing a good job. Morgan cleans the inside of the cage, and the dog gets the bottom part of the cage. Clean it up, Maggie. Yeah, that's a good job. Good job, yeah. Hello, how are you? Whoa, okay, that's not clean up. And dog gets that part of the cage. And Bird gets, Bird dropped his wiffle, whatever it's called. Where's your wiffle? There it is, down there at the bottom. Whoa, you fall down or what? Huh, what you doing? What's up, Squirt? What you doing, Squirt? Okay, time out.